Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm Rhonda.
I'm Scott.
And we are going to the farmer's market for the first time this year because Scott bought a juicer and we want to get some vegetables that we don't have in the garden that we don't have ready yet. So we thought we would bring you guys along and take a peek at what's all going on.
Which ones you want? I don't get invited.
It was not the square ones at the. If you buy. Oh no, or the other whatever. No, but the other one definitely more. Wait, we're leaving. Oh, is that where she? Yeah. Oh, I thought it was a different. No. Because they
We are back from the farmer's market. You guys, it was so much fun. I love when stuff isn't done in the garden yet. I love going to the farmer's market and buying the things that we need, supporting the local farmers, and still getting the fresh produce that I want. So, Scott bought the juicer. We're gonna make the juice. So this is what we got for that. We got some golden beets. I love these. Absolutely love them. I'm gonna make a cold beet salad with some goat cheese too. And then we got some kale. I had a bunch of kale. Isn't it pretty? Oh, I should have grown this in the garden this year and I don't know why I didn't. Dum-dum. And then we got 2 huge cucumbers. I'll de-seed these. Probably, I don't know, maybe the juicer will do it for me. Wouldn't that be fun? And then we got some tomatoes because the reason Scott got the juicer is last year his dad got his mom a juicer for Christmas. And we were up north and she gave us for breakfast a little glass of this tomato juice that she made homemade with that juicer. You guys, it was the best tomato juice I have ever had in my entire life. Like, it was so good. So that's why Scott got the juicer. So we got a bunch of tomatoes and then we got some, and then he just got 6 ears of sweet corn for supper tonight. We're gonna grill out. So he is gonna unbox the juicer and we're gonna make some juice.
All right, we are ready to unbox this juicer. Just gonna cut the tape here.
So excited.
So here's what we bought. We went with the Kuvings. This is the Auto 10 Plus. It's got the largest, I believe the largest capacity storage. It's a cold press juicer, so we can make lots of fun drinks and healthy things that are gonna come out of
That's
it.
right.
Little instruction manual, probably a recipe book.
Oh yeah, they probably did bring a recipe, give us a recipe book in there.
There you
Nice.
Okay. And then there's two pieces in here. Okay, so there's this box. I'll just set this off to the side. Then here is the. Oop.
Whoa, watch the chandelier, pal. It isn't very big.
This is not the juice. There's the top piece is there.
Oh,
this
okay.
This is just the motor part.
Oh, okay. I'm like, wow, that's gonna make juice. Okay, we're gonna take it apart, set it up, clean it, and we'll bring you back. So before we wash everything and put it together and start using it, I just kind of wanted to give an overview of everything that came in the box. They have a lot of pieces. All right, we're gonna rinse everything off and then move to the kitchen and start making juice. Okay, we got it set up the way we think that it is going to be the most effective for filming. Scott is prepping some vegetables. What are you prepping for?
I'm gonna make some like a V8 type juice or tomato juice. We have some tomatoes. I had 4 or 5 tomatoes. Had some. We went to the farmers market as we mentioned earlier. I just for health benefits, throwing some kale in there. We have a green pepper. I like spicy, so a jalapeno. Carrots. 3 carrots might be too much. I don't know. I've never done this before. We'll see. And then a couple onions. So we're gonna. I'm gonna throw basically. Once I have the vegetables all cut up, I'm gonna enter them into the hopper. I'm gonna close the hopper up, and I just turn it on.
Turn it on, and it'll make juice.
And
Okay.
it'll make juice. So.
All right. We left the seeds, the peels, everything on our vegetables. All we did was rinse them and slice them a little bit smaller. So we don't, we did not read the directions before.
We're just winging it.
We're winging it. But that's how you learn, right?
Right.
I mean, if we run into any hassles, we absolutely will.
There is a line here that I'm supposed to fill it up to. I can see that it says max.
Okay.
But there's 2 parts. I believe we can take this top part off. This is the plus version comes with this extended part. Again, I'm cutting these up a little bit smaller because the more I cut up, the more I can get in there.
Right.
It's just there's less room, so I probably should have cut up a little bit better. But the advantage of something like this is that it's less prep time to get it. Because I have an Omega juicer that I've had for years, and it works great. However, it's super slow, and you got to cut everything up to like little tiny pieces.
Yeah.
And, where this was like, I think this is gonna be better. And plus the juice that my mom made.
Yeah,
I'm
the
trying
juice
to-
that your
trying to
mom
get all
made
these in there if I can.
was amazing.
In
You're
one
gonna pack
batch.
it full in one batch. All right.
I'm gonna try. We'll
Let's see. We'll find out if we can or not.
As long as they don't get above that line, I think I'm good.
And we have it comes with like a little plunger thing, so if we have to, we can get in there and push it down and move it around a little bit.
Yep, it's this guy over here.
Yeah, so I mean so far it's nice.
I think it's super early in the season. These tomatoes do not seem like they're like super vine ripened.
Yeah.
They're like, I don't know, greenhouse ripened. I don't know.
Yeah,
They're not like the ones that are going to come out of our garden. I'm
Right.
excited because we got 3 or 4 different like super sweet cherry tomatoes this year,
Oh, it's gonna
and
be
this is
so
going to be
good.
perfect for that. So I absolutely love tomato juice. It's just a favorite drink. So all right, so that's that.
Okay,
I'm gonna
close
this
it.
lid up. I'm gonna turn
Okay,
there's a
here
little
we
switch
go.
over here, so I'm normally I'd be on the other side, but oh, there it is, right there. Oops. Cool.
That's the seeds and like the peelings. Oh, here comes the juice. Do we have to open that?
Well, this will fill up. And then once that's full, then yeah.
Look, we're making juice. That's awesome. Wow, it is really getting everything.
Yeah, the first little bit was juicy, probably because of the situation, but now it's pretty dry. There's not a ton of moisture in that pulp. Chickens are gonna love that.
Oh yeah, it's gonna take out the jalapeno seeds. Shoot. We'll dig some out of another one if it's not spicy enough. Or we can add a little cayenne pepper. Wow, it's filling up pretty quick. Look at that.
Should we open it up and drain it a little bit? Or
Yeah, let's test it.
Ready?
Yep, open it. And this is just like an extra little strainer that strains out like pulp, seeds, stuff that came through.
It's half gone already.
Yeah, the stuff up here is. Oh, it smells so good. I just got a whiff of it. Wow. Look at all the pulp we have. That's working pretty slick, I think.
I'm gonna shut it off.
Yeah, shut it off. It's empty now. This is all emptied out. This is full. So we're going to just empty the juice. We had that little strainer on there, but then it strains out like all the pulp. And I like my tomato juice just a little bit thicker. So I told Scott to take that off of there.
I feel like there's some in there yet, but maybe that's something else. Maybe that's just
Yeah.
thicker pulp over there or something.
And that's all the stuff that got left over, all the carrots. Oh,
Yeah,
the chickens are gonna love that. We could probably freeze dry that
Yeah,
and
it's-
make seasoned powder.
Good.
All right, let's taste it.
Okay.
You're gonna do the first taste, okay?
Okay, let me get a little glass.
Okay, get a little glass. Oh, it looks so good. It smells so good in here, you guys.
I'm super excited. I'm more excited when we get stuff out of the garden.
Yeah, and we'll use our own stuff.
It's definitely thicker with like.
Yeah, I like it a thicker
This
consistency.
is gonna be a
It smells so good.
yeah. You can smell the tomatoes and the carrot. All the strong ones in there. You can taste the jalapeno.
Ooh, is it spicy?
Tomato, carrot. You can't taste the kale at all, or that's.
No, we only used 2 little leaves. That was just for hidden vitamins. Is it good?
Yeah, you gotta try it now.
Okay, here goes nothing. It smells so good. I love the consistency. Ooh, it's got some kick. Ooh, she's spicy. I can taste the onion. I can taste a little bit of the tomato. I can taste the green pepper. Oh my God, you guys, this is so good. It was super easy to use. It was super easy to put together. I mean, it didn't take a bunch of time to go through one big canister, and it made that much juice.
Yeah, so.
And the juice is fairly flavorful. I mean,
Yes.
it's going to take practice for us to get what we want, but for the first
For
time.
the first time, it's got a lot of flavor, and like I said, these are not fresh tomatoes out of the garden.
Right.
Again, I think that would make a huge difference. These
Yeah.
was just like, oh my God, we got a new juicer, we got to do something.
Let's
So-
go to the farmer's market. Yeah.
And it's early in the season here. There's only I think 2 stands that even had a handful of tomatoes.
Yeah.
So, as I was cutting them, they weren't that like soft, like summery tomato. It was a
Yeah.
little bit harder, so I knew that going into it that they weren't gonna have a ton of flavor. They have flavor for sure, but even with that, like I love it. Like,
Yeah.
there's a lot of good.
Overall, 1 out of 10, probably an 8.
In terms of ease of use, we're up to like I'm saying a 9.
A 9 for ease of
Yeah.
use. But the flavor of the juice?
I'd say solid 7. For
Oh, I was going with an 8. So that's pretty good.
Solid 7. You know, I'm
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah, awesome. Okay, you guys, if you're interested in this juicer, I will put a link. We just got it off of Amazon, right?
No, this one you can't get up. This one I got from the Kuving site because it's the plus version.
Okay.
You can get the Auto 10 on Amazon. Actually, all Prime days are over, but as of yesterday, they have them on sale actually. And also, it's the same thing. You just don't have this little extra piece in the top.
Okay.
And
Okay.
There's a couple other small features. I knew that we were going to have tons of apples and tomatoes and stuff, so I wanted a large reservoir. I wanted to cold
To make the
press
juice,
to
yep.
really make it. So that's why I went with the plus. So you have to go to the Kuving's website for that.
Okay, we can
I can put
list
the link in there,
yeah, we can list the website, and then we'll do an Amazon one that is very similar to what we got.
Yep, it's basically identical except this has this top piece on it.
Okay.
So,
Well, you guys, that's it for today's video. Thanks for following along as we went to the farmer's market and got a bunch of vegetables and then came home, unboxed our juicer, and made tomato juice. It was a super simple process. The tomato juice is super tasty, and I'll put all the links. Well, I'll put the link for the website, and then I'll do a link in the descriptions for something that is very similar to what we got. Thanks for following along. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye, friends.